Hi guys, just in a wee quick video, thought with my point. After all that work that I done last week, look at this. The guy who does the fencing, that's next door's fence, we heard he was coming today to put a bit on our side because she's got two dogs and she wants to keep them separated from my dog so that they don't see each other type thing. So I've had to move everything out the road again, but I mean, it only took me 10 minutes. It wasn't hard work. Plus the fact I had my daughter help me. I'm still going to do some stuff in here today. I've got some stuff to transplant on, I've got seeds to take out, move off the propagator and do some other stuff. So I'll get back to you when I'm starting that. Hi guys, I've noticed that there's roots coming out of here, the holes at the bottom, so I'm kind of getting to the stage where I think I need to transfer these into bigger pots. I was hoping to have them outside by now, but my fault, I just didn't get round to hardening them off. So I'll move them into pots, bigger pots, and then I'll move them outside and start hardening them off and bringing them back in at night and things like that, so as I can get them outside. So this is the dill, which needs potted on, and this is the tarragon, and same things coming out at the bottom, so I'll need to get them moved over. So basically, put that up there like that, and then I'll just take it out the pot, and there you go. That's the roots. I didn't think they would actually fill these pots as quick, but they have, so they need moved on. So we'll just move that out of the road. Get a cup. What I'm going to do is put them in there like that. I've put enough compost in to keep it at the same level, and then I'll fill round it with compost and water them in. So I'll do that for all the dill and all the tarragon, and then I'll get back to these. Okay, so there we go. There's my dill and my tarragon. This is for my personal use, put into bigger cups. But what I have got is other cups filled with tarragon. I mean, look at that stuff and then look at that stuff, and it just goes to show that when you have them in bigger pots, they thrive a lot better. So these need to be transplanted on, along with some thyme and some oregano. I still have my thyme and my oregano, but these don't need to be potted on as yet. So they're okay, but I've got thyme in that cup, oregano in that cup, which needs to be potted on. These are the seeds that I sowed on the 26th of February. This is onion, just normal sized eating onion. These two are spring onion. I need to start thinking of getting these outside. This is little gem lettuce, which I'm going to be transplanting into those small pots, and this is beetroot multi-sown, which will be continuing to grow and then go outside as multi-sown. Up here, in fact, I'll show you these bits later. I'll take all the lids off and then show you. Okay, there's some little gem lettuce that I have transplanted on, and these are the flowers that have started to come up. Apart from this is the local Rossi lettuce that I got free in the magazine, and this is the Swiss chard that I got free in the magazine. This is asters, dwarf. There's only a couple of them coming up, so they'll go back on the propagator. There's nothing in this side, but it's not asters. And this is, this here, I'm a bit out of breath. And this here is dwarf French marigolds that badly need potted on, so they'll get potted on today. My basil is still growing well, and I'll get cuttings in water to root up. And I think that's about all there is for today. So I'll make this the last part of the video, and I hope you're all keeping well, and I hope you all stay safe. I had my jag on Sunday, as I previously told you, my first one, and it was like, nothing until the next day, or in the middle of the night into the next morning. I felt as if somebody had gave me a D-arm. It was sore. I had shooting pains going down my left arm, and then on Monday the bones started to ache, but otherwise it's been absolutely no bother at all, and I would highly recommend everybody to get it when they get the option. Okay, I hope you all stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.